What's up, guys? Welcome back to Fan Freakin'. Today I wanted to share with you guys that I upgraded from the stock exhaust to some slip-ons that I found off of Amazon that were honestly really cheap. $269 to be exact. And I'm going to link it to you guys in the video description down below in case you guys want to go and check them out. Mine is a 21 Road King that you guys are seeing on the screen right now. But of course, they have different sizes and different pipes for different bikes. So I would recommend checking it out in the video description down below. I'm going to show you guys a side-by-side comparison with Pro Audio. I got my Rode microphone hooked up to my Sony 4K camera. So you're going to get the best audio quality. And also I wanted to mention that these pipes in particular, the slip-ons, it has a baffle inside, but you can remove them if you want to. But I'm going to do a full review on the pipes later on. This is just a video comparison of the sound and quality of a cheap pair of slip-ons on Amazon. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit a like, comment down below. Let me know what you guys honestly think. If you're new, please subscribe, and let's go ahead and get into this comparison.